Hello, my dear friends. I want to talk about growing pains because if you've been listening to my channel for any length of time, you are someone who is growing. You are growing your art business, you're growing your entrepreneurship, you're growing your creativity, and you watch videos so that you can up-level yourself. One thing you need to know about your growth is that you will run into growing pains. When we are about to make a big positive shift in our lives, we are put through many hard tests. And those tests often look like all of a sudden everything's going wrong. All of a sudden you're getting no after no after no. You're getting doors slammed in your face. Things are just not going the way you wanted them to. And this is when you have to take a step back and get introspective and ask yourself, what is really happening here? Why did all these doors get slammed in my face? Do I need to take a different approach? I've been going through that recently with my book tour. It's so funny. There are some cities that I'm going to where I have not been able to secure a venue for my book signing and my talk. And this is for my new book called COVID, A Love Story. And then there have been other towns that I'm going to where people are welcoming me with open arms and they can't wait to host my book signing, and they're going to get like 100 people there. What I've come to understand is what I'm doing is not for everyone. So for some reason, I couldn't make it happen in Delaware. I don't know why. I got turned down by all these venues that were going to host me and then changed their mind. And finally, I just thought, okay, I'm going to take the hint. And while I'm there, I'm just not doing anything with my book tour. Just going to spend time with my family, visit my mother, and that's where my focus will be. After I leave Delaware, then I'm headed to South Carolina, and I will have a book signing at a little store called Revival in Georgetown. And they are so excited to have me there, and they're making it easy, and they're going to get all these people there, and they're going to advertise. They want me. So I am going where I'm wanted. So that is the message that I really had to think about this week. And I had to become okay that not everybody gets what I'm doing. And so for you, my dear artist, not everybody's going to get what you're doing. But the people who do get what you're doing, they want you and they want your art. And they're the ones that you're doing it for. For me, I'm doing this for the people in Georgetown, South Carolina. They want me there. And they want to hear my story and they want to buy my book. And so I'm going where it's easy. When you are bumping up against resistance, take a step back, take a breath, and make new decisions, new choices, new ways to get your art out there. Find the people who will love it, and those who are not in love with it, that's okay. Let it go. I hope this helps somebody out there. Love ya. Mean it.